Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the deep blue to explore the formidable might of India's naval fleet. Buckle up because the Indian Navy is not just any navy. It's evolved into a true blue water navy, capable of extended operations across oceans far beyond its shores. First up, let's talk about the INS Vikrant. Commissioned in 2022, it's India's first indigenous aircraft carrier. This colossal vessel represents a significant leap forward in India's shipbuilding capability. It's not just a ship, it's a floating airbase, projecting power and providing air support wherever needed. Next, we have the INS Arihant. This is India's first nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. It forms a crucial part of India's nuclear triad, ensuring second-strike capability and bolstering the nation's strategic deterrence. The Arihant is stealthy, powerful, and a true game-changer in underwater warfare. Modernization is the name of the game for the Indian Navy. With Project 75, India is rolling out the Kalvari-class submarines, and with Project 17A, the next-gen stealth frigates are in the works. These projects underscore India's commitment to keeping its navy at the cutting edge of technology and warfare capabilities. What's truly impressive is India's focus on indigenous development. Over 75% of its warships are now being built in Indian shipyards under the Make in India initiative. This not only boosts national pride, but also ensures self-reliance in defense manufacturing. The Indian Navy isn't just a coastal force. With its strategic reach across the Indian Ocean region, it conducts mission-based deployments to counter piracy, protect sea lanes, and engage diplomatically with other nations. These operations enhance regional stability and showcase India's growing influence on the global stage. Looking ahead, the Indian Navy has ambitious plans. By the 2030s, India aims to induct a third aircraft carrier and additional nuclear submarines. These upcoming assets will further bolster the Navy's capabilities and ensure it remains a dominant force in the region. So there you have it, a quick dive into the mighty Indian naval fleet. It's a fascinating journey of growth, modernization, and strategic prowess. If you're passionate about military advancements, the Indian Navy is definitely one to watch. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world's most formidable forces. Until next time,